The creator economy is rapidly growing. In fact, Goldman Sachs believes it could reach $500 billion by 2027. Coupled with how technology is advancing and how we consume content, it feels like there's a gold rush right now. But how do we capitalize on this? And how do we make money from making valuable content? And that's where Uscreen comes in. Uscreen is a comprehensive platform that's making waves in the world of content creation and distribution through memberships. Whether you're looking to launch a video streaming service or create an online subscription model, or even find a new way to connect with your audience, Uscreen has you covered. But all of that seems pretty complicated and overwhelming, right? But Uscreen isn't just software. They'll also partner with you to help you launch a successful membership. In this video, I'm going to dive into Uscreen and take an in-depth look at its features and really look at how you could use it in your online business. While Uscreen has sponsored this video, all my opinions and experience of the software are my own. Let's dive right in. First of all, what is Uscreen? So think if Netflix and YouTube had a baby. Uscreen allows you to drive predictable and reoccurring revenue by building a membership site for your video content and your community. At its core, it's an all-in-one membership platform that allows creators to monetize their video content through subscriptions, through rentals, and also one-time purchases. It's designed to create your very own Netflix-like service, complete with branding that matches your own unique style. But it's not just a video hosting platform. Uscreen brings memberships together with video content, subscriptions, and also a community. It packs a punch with features like your own website, your own mobile app, live streaming, marketing tools like analytics, and also your own community. It's a versatile platform catering for a lot of different creators, from fitness instructors to educators to entertainers and motivational speakers. It has over 9.2 million users and is generating well over $150 million in annual creator earnings. Now this is huge. If you're looking to fast track your success with Uscreen and start your membership journey, then check out the link in the description below where you can access one of their free creator workshops. So let's dive deeper into some of Uscreen's core features and really what sets it apart, and also showcase those features that really allow creators to deliver content and build a sustainable business. With a friendly drag and drop website builder, themes, and also templates, it really couldn't be easier to get your content shopfront up and running. You can fully brand your own website, from your logo to custom color schemes to even your domain, to really make that website your own. And I'm going to dive into this feature, really showing you behind the scenes a little bit later on in this video. Now this feature is pretty unique, and that is that their platform really extends beyond just being a desktop-based service. They offer a comprehensive suite of apps to really help with content delivery, but also the viewing experience across various devices. From their customizable mobile apps on iOS and also Android, to their TV-based apps on Amazon Fire, Roku, Apple TV, and also Android TV. This makes it possible for your subscribers to watch your content on the go, in different locations, and also at home on the big screen, which really helps with that viewer experience. Now this feature is becoming a massive part of the online creator world, and that's building your own community. And Uscreen has recognized this and built out an awesome community features where your subscribers can interact, ask questions, connect with each other, and talk about your content. This is an awesome feature because it creates a more engaging and interactive experience, encouraging your subscribers to join the community, watch more content, and really engage with each other. And ultimately, this is going to help with retention. At the end of the day, if you're creating a subscription model, you need to keep your users coming back, and creating a community can help with that. So Uscreen excels at video hosting. After all, it is really the core element to its software. So the platform offers high definition uploads all the way up to 4K in resolution, which really allows creators to showcase premium content. So a lot of the features are customizable, including the video player, so you can really customize this towards your brand and give your viewers a unique feel. Now the look and feel is great, but if we really want to grow, we need data. This is where you can dive into the in-depth analytics area and really see which content is performing and what you should do more of. You can track engagement metrics like view count, watch time, and also viewer retention rates. Now these analytics are super important, and this is really going to give you an insight into what your audience wants, so you can really tailor your content strategy towards it. Now, flexibility is key when it comes to monetizing your content, and Uscreen understands this, providing a variety of different options to suit different business models. You can set up subscription services offering regular content for a reoccurring fee, or you could create kind of one-time purchases for some special edition content. Rental options are also available, giving access to specific content for a certain amount of time. Does this remind you of anything? This flexibility really allows you to tailor the different offerings to what works best for your audience, and also make sure you're maximizing your revenue potential with your content. In a crowded online space, standing out really is essential. And Uscreen's custom branding options really run throughout the platform on many different features, really giving you creative freedom. From custom domains to personalized themes and even logos, every aspect of the platform could be tailored to really reflect your brand. And this level of personalization not only strengthens your brand, but also really creates a more unique viewing experience to your subscribers. Now, Uscreen doesn't stop at content delivery. It also equips you with a variety of marketing and engagement tools to help you attract, retain, and also understand your audience. Integrated email marketing campaigns allow you to keep in touch with your subscribers and following, to really announce new content or even special offers. Coupons and discount codes can be used to really attract new subscribers and also reward the loyal ones. On the analytics front, Uscreen allows you to dive into user behavior, content performance, and also revenue metrics, allowing you to make data-driven decisions to really grow your audience and increase engagement. So I also want to share with you some live examples of websites and also subscription-based offers that have been built out and are using Uscreen to power them. So this one is the Filmmakers Academy. As you can see, this site has been built on Uscreen. It's got all of their custom branding, their logos, and it looks really, really professional. And down here we can see the free content that they're using to then promote their paid content. So we can see this is all locked, and then recent uploads. And it just looks like almost like a Netflix style website where we can see all their content and we could go through some of the free stuff and then potentially look at buying some of their paid content. We can also see the different courses that they offer. So the courses all load in here. Again, just really like the layout and how professional it looks. And then pricing, so we can dive into the pricing models so we can see the subscriptions they offer. This might give you some inspiration of what you could do with your content and how you could monetize it and really just create a subscription-based model with not only a community, but also a website, and then also the content and the subscriptions that powers the whole of Uscreen. So that's just one example. They also have their own app as well. So this is in the Apple App Store. As you can see here, it's all custom branded as well. So they've not only got the website, they've also got the app that goes alongside it. So really cool example of how you can use Uscreen and how Filmmakers Academy are using it as well. Next, we've got another site here, a little bit different, Boho Beautiful. So it's the #1 stop for yoga and fitness workouts. So again, really nice put together website, and again this is built in Uscreen, and we can see kind of everything that's available on here, from the new releases to exclusive class library. Again, looks super professional, and we can see all the different types of content that are available. Again, we've got the different categories, different gift cards, support, and then sign in as well. So yeah, two really nice examples of how you could potentially build a site and obviously monetize your content, create a membership and a subscription-based offer, and build that around a community as well. All right, so I want to dive into Uscreen and show you behind the scenes of how easy it is to really get started and get your membership and your community up and running. So when you first log in, you're greeted with this quick start guide, which I really like. You've got 4 steps here to follow, which allows you just to really get started as soon as possible. Again, what we want to do with this is get our 1.0 version up as soon as possible, and then we can edit and change it as we go. When it comes to software, sometimes we can log in and really just get overwhelmed with all the tasks and everything we've got to do, but Uscreen have really simplified this to really help you get something up and running as soon as possible. So first thing is we can customize the website, we can brand it, change the name, use our website URL, add our logo, then we can price our membership, we can add video content, and then we can prepare to launch. So really like this, kind of the first 4 steps that you should take as you log in. From there, obviously there's more behind the scenes and there's more to it, but this is just the 4 steps that you're going to want to take. You're also offered an onboarding call, and you can actually connect with Uscreen's team, which is really going to help you kind of hit the ground running. And again, their team have obviously worked with a lot of other online coaches and online course creators that are going to be in a similar place to you are, and they'll be able to help you really kind of get started and getting the most out of Uscreen. So definitely take them up on that offer and dive on and learn anything you can from a member of their team. So from there, I'm going to dive into some of the main features I discussed in this video. So first thing is the content. So obviously you've got a content library. This is where you can just upload all your videos and have them showing inside of your content library. And then you can obviously name them and make sure that they're all ordered, and then choose where they want to go in terms of which products you want to provide to your subscribers. You've got live streaming as well. So again, we mentioned about live streaming, and obviously you can directly live stream into Uscreen. You can charge for this, you could do a one-time fee, you could do it as part of your subscription. But this is really good that it's all in the one system, so I really like this. You've then got the people section, so you're going to see all of your members in here. You'll see analytics, you'll see the subscriptions that are on, so you can just manage all of your subscriptions inside of Uscreen. Next, we've got the community element, and this couldn't be easier to launch a community. So literally you click launch community, and then you can go in here and you can just customize this and obviously launch your community. And then obviously as you start to get in subscribers, they're going to come into your community and they can go through, like at the top, you can go through your catalog, the community, and then the calendar as well if you're offering like certain sessions each week. So I really like this, super simple, dead easy to kind of launch and get going, and they give you a template to work off here. You can add posts, and there'll be a lot more kind of training on this and how to use it inside of the Uscreen help articles and support, which I'll dive into shortly in this video. So from here we've got subscriptions. So again, this is where we can obviously create all our subscriptions. We can see who's in trial, who's active, what our current monthly recurring revenue is, and again we can manage all of our payments and subscriptions inside of here. So another big feature is the website feature. So again, we need a shop front, we need somewhere to send people to, and again, Uscreen make it super simple. So as you can see here, we've got this current theme. We can browse other themes as well. So we've got the different themes here that we could choose from. And then once we've chosen the theme that we want to work with, we can just customize it. And this couldn't be simpler to use. So drag and drop. If you've ever used like landing page builders or website builders, then very similar to these. And yeah, you just come in, you can edit any of the text, edit any of the colors. If we just click on edit here, we'll see all of this drop up. We can remove the image, change the color overlay, edit the text, and we can just use the theme and the template they provided and obviously just tweak it to what we want for our brand and our business. So really easy to use, and a great way to kind of get started, because again, sometimes when you come to a blank page and you don't know how to start with a website, it can be pretty overwhelming and daunting. But obviously Uscreen have given you these themes and giving you these templates to work off, and then you can just tweak them and make them your own. So from there, we've also got the marketing section. And I really like this because there's lots of really cool features inside of here, and there's actually a new feature they've just launched, so the YouTube lead generator. So you can nurture your YouTube audience by capturing emails through your lead generation URL. So you can bring people from YouTube, so use your organic YouTube content, maybe you give out for free, and then you bring them over to Uscreen, and then obviously to get more content, you'd have to subscribe and obviously be part of your subscription. So really like that. Again, love obviously how you can bring those leads over and definitely capture them inside of Uscreen. Got giveaway funnels. Create a giveaway to turn leads into subscribers. So you could create something like, it's almost like a lead magnet inside of Uscreen, and then obviously you can give that away for free, but on the premise that obviously you're going to try and get them to upsell and you're going to come into to be subscribers with potentially discounted offers. Got landing pages as well, and then we've got nurturing your audience, so we can create email broadcasts, subscription upsells, we can give out gift cards, we've got abandoned carts. So again, getting into more of the advanced marketing, where if someone hits your site and they don't actually fill out the information, we can follow up with emails when they abandon. And then we've got coupons and push notifications. All right. Next, we've got the analytics section, and this is super important because, again, when we want to obviously optimize our subscription and obviously make it and improve on it, we want to look at the analytics. So we want to look at definitely the financial side of things. We want to look at the subscribers, what they're watching, what the churn rate is, what the view rate is, and everything that's included in obviously any video content that we want to see. So we can see subscribers, YouTube lead generator, and then the churn rate as well. Then we've got the content section. So in here, again, we've got all of these metrics. That's super important because if we create a really good piece of content and loads of people are watching it, gets lots of views, then you might want to look at the analytics and then create more content around that. And then last but not least is the mobile and TV apps. And I mentioned this in my video, but this is super powerful. So again, we can create iOS and Android, which is pretty standard. We've got those mobile apps which we can customize, but they also offer the Apple TV, Android TV, Roku, Fire TV, and then obviously there's Apple Watch OS as well. So lots of availability in terms of apps, allowing your subscribers to watch their content on any devices, whether on the go, whether they're traveling and they want to watch it on a TV, they could log in and look at it on Amazon Prime or Amazon Fire TV or Apple TV and anything like that. So really like that because there's different ways of viewing it. It might be desktop, it might be an iPad, it might be an iPhone or a Google phone, whatever it is. Uscreen has got those apps covered so that people can watch your content, subscribe to your content and watch it on many devices. Okay, so that is going through some of the features that we discussed. Obviously, there's a lot more to Uscreen, but again, it just shows you how simple it is to really get started with it and get going. So in terms of their support, they have the support guide down at the bottom right here. And again, we can ask questions. So they've got a direct support where we can chat with them. They usually respond within an hour. They're a lot quicker than that. And then you've got the search for help, so you can search all of these collections to see how you can best utilize Uscreen and obviously go through all the features. So yeah, super simple, easy to use. We can obviously directly speak to someone that can help, or we can go through the help articles here as well. Then diving into some of the settings as well, we've got more features inside of here. So we've got storefront domain settings, so we can actually use our own domain, obviously brand that for our own business. We've also we can choose our payment provider, so it integrates with Stripe or PayPal. So again, you're going to want to integrate your payment provider to create those subscriptions and collect monthly recurring revenue. We've got the marketing email settings, user fields, email templates, integrations, so you can connect with third-party apps like Zapier, Google Analytics, Facebook, Twitter. So there's lots of integrations in here as well to go and use and connect. Maybe if you're using other software to connect, but obviously Uscreen does a lot of this for you, so you might not need to use any of these integrations. If you're ready to start your membership journey with Uscreen, then you can check out the link in the description below where you can access one of their free creator workshops. Now, Uscreen really presents a pretty compelling options for creators to really take their online business to the next level. With lots of great features and flexible monetization options, it really could help you build and grow and engage your online community. But as with any platform, success on Uscreen really requires a clear strategy, quality content, and also a commitment to engage and grow your audience. But if you're ready to commit, invest, and really take your content creation business to the next level, then Uscreen could be that platform that is a game changer for your online business. Now, if you're looking to grow your online community and you need lead generation, then the next video you should check out is the video that I've got linked up here on how to run Facebook ads to generate more leads. In this video, I walk you through step by step on how to build and launch a campaign to generate more leads for your online business. Be sure to check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.